Hi, welcome to Group 3 problems. Now, Group 3 problems are actually working with more than one step. So looking at the problems for Group 3, we're going to have to first add or subtract. So first, more than likely, we're going to be adding, we're going to be adding or subtracting something to begin with. And then our final step, more than likely, is going to be multiplying or dividing. So if we go ahead and look at example A, I have 2x minus 4 is equal to 10. So our whole goal here is to get the x all by itself. The way we would do that is to first take care of our addition and subtraction. In this case, we have a minus 4. So how do you move the minus 4 to the other side? Right, by the inverse operation of adding it. So we're going to add 4 to both sides. When I do that, I'm left with 2x on the left side of the equal sign, and on the right side, I have 10 plus 4, which is 14. Now, again, remember, our goal here is to get the x all by itself. So if you look at it, it's 2x. That's like saying 2 times x. So the way to undo multiplication is division. So we're actually going to go through and divide both sides by 2. And when I do that, I isolate my x. So my x is all by itself. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Great job. And you can kind of mentally quickly check that. 2 times x, well, we said x is 7. So 2 times 7 is 14 minus 4. That does give me 10, so it does work out. Let's look at letter B. Similar setup, only a little bit different. We have x over 3, or x fraction bar 3, minus 4 is equal to negative 6. Again, our goal is to get x by itself. Again, we are going to start by adding and subtracting. In this case, we have a minus 4 again, so we are going to add it to both sides of the equal sign. So when I do that, I have this x fraction sign 3 is equal to negative 6 plus 4. Well, negative 6 plus 4, watch those negatives, gives you negative 2. So now we have to go back and think about what symbol or what sign, what operation is a fraction sign. Well, that's just like division. So we're saying x divided by 3. So what's the opposite of dividing? Great job, multiplying. So we're going to multiply both sides by that denominator. So when I do that, I'm left with x on the left side and negative 2 times 3, which is negative 6 on the right side. And again, you could go back and substitute it in to make sure that your answer makes sense. So go ahead and hit pause and then come back and check your answers. Hey, welcome back. You should have gotten c equals 10 for the first problem. Now, if you look at the second problem, when we subtract 2 out, you ended up with negative 3v is equal to positive 7. So you have to divide both sides by 3, but negative 3, that is. And when you do that, you're going to see that you end up with a decimal. So if you got a decimal for letter D, that's okay. Just make sure that you round it correctly, or what we would even prefer better is for you to leave it as that fraction, 7 over negative 3. Okay, great job. I think you're ready to go ahead and go back to your group to explain these problems to your group. Have a great day. Bye.